good, everybody? It's your boy Moski, back with another video. Today's video is a reaction video to Working with Jigsaw. A couple of people recommend me this video to me. They say it's hilarious, and I find that funny that they're saying like Jigsaw video is hilarious, but you know, if you know Jigsaw, he ain't hilarious. But that's besides the point. Let's get straight to this reaction. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you enjoy my reaction.
Just him sitting there.
So, what's it like working with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as we thought it would be.
May I ask you what your bill is now?
It says a-hole on
I can
the
see
sticker.
what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy.
Hey, Janine.
Yes,
Janine.
I would be happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry. What?
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to go home on time, so...
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic
Whoa!
virus. In exactly 25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you totally have a crush on, will arrive at your
What the heck's going on?
You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer. The clock is ticking, Janine. Your choice.
Thank you guys very much.
What happened to him?
The frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic, meaningless life.
What did you say?
What happened to him? Why is he duct tape? Or not duct tape. He got tape around his glove as well.
Hold the elevator, please. Please.
Just hold it.
What happened to her?
Hold it. Just hold some more. Hold it. Hold for one more. Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude.
I would have let the elevator shut. Oh, like, man, skip you.
The door's closed. Just hold.
A little tricycle.
One sec. Just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to... Yep. There we go.
He's gonna press the freaking elevator button. With that.
You want me to get
I
them?
got it, Steve.
Look, this is not the fun part of the job, but we've been monitoring office productivity, and as you can see from this research, when your gains increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
I like how he's agreeing with everything. He's like, yep.
Work-related
Uh-huh.
meeting, like,
Alright.
team building or workplace synergy.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
All we're asking is that you just, tone it down a little. Just tell
What happened to the guy in the background?
What do you think?
Yeah. All of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's the
have
kind of
been...
thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair.
Oh, what the?
It's gonna be tough. But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Either synergize and work together as a team, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families. Don't be stuck inside the office for the third time this quarter.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh, that was funny. I enjoyed this video. I like when Jigsaw just like throws his hand and just starts speaking what his plan is. Oh man, that was a hilarious video. I hope there's more of them. I'm gonna do more research about this and to see if there's more videos of working with Jigsaw, because I want to do more videos with this. It's pretty funny. Just imagine going to work and you just have to deal with this guy. He just got always a game, and you're like, man, can we not do this? Like, no, we're gonna play this game. I like it at the meeting table. They were just discussing everything that he was like doing. Like, you gotta calm it down and everything. He's like, yep, yep, And he still does the game with his hands. Well, I love this video. It's pretty funny. I enjoyed it. But if you did enjoy my reaction, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Post notifications to get all my videos up to date. See you in the next video, and peace.